Hello and welcome to BioBrainiacs. Today we'll become pandemic detectives and explore how scientists identify, investigate, and track new infectious diseases around the world. By the end of today's session, you'll understand how biology, genetics, and public health work together to stop outbreaks. A pandemic is an infectious disease outbreak that spreads across multiple countries or continents and affects large numbers of people. Scientists carefully monitor outbreaks to determine how easily diseases spread and how they can be controlled. New diseases can emerge through mutations or when pathogens spread from animals to humans. By studying how diseases originate, scientists can better predict and prepare for future outbreaks. Many new infectious diseases begin in animals before spreading to humans through spillover events. Monitoring wildlife and livestock helps scientists identify potential threats before they become widespread. Every outbreak begins with a small number of unusual cases that doctors and hospitals report to public health officials. Scientists investigate these early cases to identify the disease and determine how it's spreading. Epidemiologists investigate outbreaks by interviewing patients, tracing infections, and analyzing data. Their work helps health officials understand how diseases spread and how to stop them. Laboratory testing confirms what pathogen is causing an illness, with PCR being one of the most common methods. Fast and accurate testing helps doctors diagnose patients and allows scientists to monitor outbreaks. Genome sequencing allows scientists to read the genetic code of a virus and identify mutations or new variants. This technology helps researchers track how diseases spread and evolve over time. Contact tracing identifies people who may have been exposed to an infected individual so they can be tested or monitored. Breaking these chains of transmission helps slow the spread of disease. Scientists use maps, computer models, and case data to predict how diseases may spread. These tools help hospitals and public health officials prepare and respond more effectively. Vaccines train the immune systems to recognize and fight harmful pathogens before they cause serious illness. Widespread vaccination reduces transmission and helps protect entire communities. Quick question: which laboratory test detects the genetic material of viruses? PCR, MRI, X-ray, or ultrasound? The correct answer is PCR, while the other options are imaging techniques rather than diagnostic tests for viruses. Organizations like the WHO, CDC, hospitals, and research laboratories work together to monitor diseases and coordinate responses. Sharing information globally allows scientists to respond more quickly to new outbreaks. The COVID-19 pandemic showed the importance of rapid testing, genome sequencing, vaccines, and international collaboration. These lessons are helping scientists prepare for future infectious disease outbreaks. New technologies such as artificial intelligence, wastewater surveillance, and portable diagnostics are making disease detection faster than ever before. These innovations will help scientists identify outbreaks earlier and respond more effectively. Let's review with a quick quiz. First question: what is a pandemic? The answer is, it's a worldwide disease outbreak. Second question: what is a zoonotic disease? The answer is, it's a disease that spreads from animals to humans. Third question: what does PCR detect? The answer is, it detects the genetic material of a pathogen. Fourth question: what is contact tracing? The answer is, it's finding and notifying people exposed to an infected person. Fifth and final question: name one public health organization. Your answer could be the WHO or CDC. Thank you.